अस्सलामुअलैकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। दोस्तों सब अच्छे नहीं माशाल्लाह वालपाड़ में आपको यहाँ इंटर सेकेंड ईयर पढ़े को बच्चे के ज़बरदस्त मार्का ले लेके सो यहाँ की प्रिंसिपल मैडम बात करना चाहती है। माशाल्लाह देखो सुनो दोस्तों। गुड मॉर्निंग मैडम।
నేను జి పద్మ ప్రిన్సిపల్ ఆఫ్ ఏపీఆర్జేసి ఎంజీ వాయిల్పాడు అన్నమయ్య డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ ఇన్ ఇంటర్మీడియట్ ఐపీ పబ్లిక్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ March 26 our college achieved a great success with 96% of results.
Thank you madam. Congratulations madam.
Thank you very much. And our students have worked very hard, and our lecturers also have been constantly working for them, and they really gave a lot of effort, put a lot of effort in making the students achieve this result. And our APR society, Amravati, our officers,
Thank you.
secretary, secretary sir, JS sir, RDS sirs, everybody were constantly checking the results of college since unit exams itself. We had a 95-day program of intensive testing program where students constantly kept writing the exams after each and every session of syllabus that has been completed. And this has worked a lot for the students to achieve better results. Those who get lower marks used to work hard, we used to give them training, and the failures are brought forward. They were giving special training. We adopted them. All the staff adopted these children who have failed in subjects, and slowly they brought them until 96% of result.
It's very great madam. Thank you so much. So congratulations madam.
For second year 4 of them failed, and first year 4 of them failed. These are 2 of them are unexpected failures from first year, and in second year we have long absentees, so 2 of them are of such category. But the government is really great in giving a chance for writing betterment even for second year to increase their marks. So the outgoing students, the second year people, are now appearing for betterment also. Now I would like to speak about the marks that we got and the names that we are students of the students who achieved. In first year MPC, B Manasa stood first. She's from second year MPC, I'm sorry. She got 979 marks out of 1000 in NPC group.
Oh my God.
And in BIPC, second BIPC, S Soni got 985 marks.
Wow.
She stood first. And in second CEC, K Sai Priya, she got 936 marks out of 1000.
Wow.
These are the first achieved students. And in first year, we have first mark with 464 out of 470. K Habiba
Mashallah.
achieved this. Then in first BIPC, yes, Amreen Taj stood first with 443 out of 455 marks.
Good.
Then in first CEC, we have S Aisha with 475 marks out of 500.
So hey mark.
All these people stood first. And I would like to talk about even the people who got second and third.
Yeah.
Second year, K Neelaveni 976 marks, second, and Jagadishwari 970 marks. These belong to MPC, second MPC. Then in second BIPC we have C Sindhuja 978 marks with second, and K Pavani with 967 marks who stood third. And in second CEC we have P Rani 917 marks second, S Apsana 916 marks third.
Wow.
And in first year also we have D Parimala with 462 marks. She stood second, and KR Sania and S Yasmin with 461. They got, both of them got third in MPC. And in first BIPC we have T Hafsa with 442 marks, and B Rajeshwari also with 442 marks. They got second place.
Yeah.
And SG Samira with 439 marks. She stood third in BIPC. Then in first year CEC, S Rizwana stood 470, got 470 out of 500. She stood second. And C Mahalakshmi with 466 marks. She stood in the third place.
People.
And
Great, madam.
really we have for 90% we have above 70% only. All of them, nobody in 60%. Only two people in
Good.
50%.
Very
and,
good.
all are 80%, 90% only.
Yeah.
This is a great achievement. They got highest marks.
Oh, yeah.
For this, what I practiced was,
Hmm.
I made them say, we will achieve 100% result.
Hmm.
We will get highest
Very-
marks.
Hey,
These
high-
are the two lines I
High
attached.
grade, madam. High grade.
I attached these two lines to the pledge they
Yeah.
do every morning.
Yeah, thank
For
you, madam.
2 months, I made them say this. We will achieve 100% result. We will achieve highest marks.
Hmm.
So at least one they could do. Though we did not get 100% result,
Yeah.
we got highest marks. All above 900, all above 400. Never did we
Inshallah.
see this result.
Very good, madam.
This college really has a great result this year because it used to be 80% or somewhere there. Later it came up to 100% also. Last year 100% came, but not this much of score there is achieved. So I'm very happy to have such
Happy.
great children
Yeah.
here
Yeah.
as our students.
Parents
year.
is very too much happy, madam. Thank you, madam.
I'm very
Thank you.
thankful to
Thank
them.
you so much. Teachers, principal, madam, your work
I
is
am
very hard
much
working.
thankful to my
Yeah.
staff.
Uh,
All of them did very much
Very
hard
thank
work.
you so much, madam.
And
Thank you.
it's
Thank
not
you.
my own thing. It is the collective unified work of the teachers and students. And regularly I used to pray for them.
Yeah.
I never pray for myself, but I prayed only for the students
Yeah.
that they should get good results. Now also few of them have been appearing for the betterment to get more marks.
Yeah. Thank you, madam.
Thank you
Thank you
very
so
much.
much, madam. God bless you, madam.
Thank you, sir.